Hello everyone and welcome to the first episode of Kopno Dispatch where we are going to talk about the systems you are going to implement in the game. And since we are right now working toward finishing our vertical slice, I thought it would be interesting to show you some systems we are working on right now. So this is the noise system. It will affect the stealth in the gameplay. Well, we are certainly a survival game with an open world, but we wanted stealth not to be classic. We took inspiration from Metal Gear Solid 5 and from Zelda on how you approach enemies. So as you can see in the upper right of my screen, you will see the noise system. When you run, you will emit noise data. So of course, when you sprint, it goes up, and when you crouch, it goes down. When you really crouch to certain enemies, it's like you are not making any noise, and this will affect how the enemies will perceive you and how they will interact with you. Here you can see in the system we have 3 layers of sensitivities of the hearing of enemies, like it's sensitive, not sensitive, and extremely sensitive. So let's say you run in the not sensitive area, enemies probably will not hear you, but if you sprint, they will react in a certain way. It's saying I heard something, but he's not moving from his place. So right now you can run here in an easy way, but if you sprint, you start raising awareness about your surroundings. Now if you approach him and you sprint, it's like he said, what was that? Now he goes into investigation situation, and he goes where the last point he heard the noise. So as you see, he's trying to go where I started sprinting. Of course, enemies will vary, so they will have different reactions, and in that sense they can attack you, flee from you, or even raise the guard and the alarm in case of. So at this point, if you hear and you sprint, like it's really he's going to not only investigate, but he's going into active search. He's trying to understand what happened. Let's say he didn't see us, but it's like he's okay, I'm pretty sure there is something here and I want to understand it. So no matter don't mind the bug, it's still an early system, so it's just a way for us to show you how things will react. So right now, let's say you want to grab this enemy, but you want not to make a noise, so basically you will have to crouch. But if you crouch in this sensitive area, he will not hear you. And at the very start of the very sensitive, he will not hear you. But if you still crouch and approach him like that, he will probably see you and attack you directly. So it's not only about crouching. So here, as you can see, we're trying to approach the enemy from behind, but I can't go like very in crouching mode, the normal mode. So I need to go slowly by holding down the control and approach the enemy from behind to try to take him down. And at this point, this is an animation we find that of course it's not really adapted to humanoid, but this is how you take an enemy when you try to approach him from stealth. So this is a bit our stealth system. Thank you for hearing up about it. I will try to share more devlogs about how the development is going. Of course, everything is going to change. We are working toward our own animation right now. We just used some predefined and existing animation from Unreal to showcase the code, the events, but later every race in the game will have its own animation regarding stealth, running, sprinting, etc. Thank you all for hearing out about us, and don't hesitate to like the video, to join our channel, and please keep in touch. It's important for us.